Weeds, they're fast, sneaky, and relentless. And if you don't act quickly, they'll take over faster than you can say dandelion. But here's the good news. Preventing weeds is way easier than fighting them once they're established. If you've been wondering how to keep your garden weed-free, this week is your window. Let's look at 5 easy natural things you can do right now to get ahead of the invasion. Tip 1. Lay down a fresh layer of mulch. A 2 to 4 inch layer blocks sunlight, smothers weed seeds, and helps your soil stay cool and moist. Whether you're using bark, straw, crinkle paper, or leaf mold, mulch is your first line of defense. Tip 2. Weed right after it rains or after you water. Wet soil makes weeds easier to pull, roots and all. Deep-rooted troublemakers like dandelions slide right out when the soil's soft. Tip 3. Add a barrier under your mulch. Cardboard, newspaper, or biodegradable fabric blocks sunlight and stops weeds from punching through, while feeding the soil as they break down. Master gardener tip: wet your cardboard first. It lays flatter and stays put. Tip 4. Don't leave bare soil exposed. Weeds see empty space as an open invitation. Fill those gaps fast. Use cover crops, living ground covers like thyme or alyssum, or plant a little closer together. Tip 5. Clean your edges. Weeds love to sneak in from paths, fences, and cracks in the hardscape. A quick weekly trim or dig can stop them before they move in. Weed seeds can sit dormant for years, just waiting for their chance. But if you break this cycle, just for one season, you'll take back your garden bed by bed. So take 30 minutes this week to mulch, edge, or pull a few early invaders. Your plants and your future self will thank you. Prevent weeds, build soil, and grow strong. Subscribe for more tips from the ground up.